Hey, terrific Thursday to you, Doodah. Out at the East Lot today. Beautiful weather for late November. Just want to come to you and let you know about this little Forest River Hyper-Lite XLR model that we have. It's under 5,500 pounds. Great little toy hauler in a travel trailer setup. So just a quick walk around. Try to keep this under a minute. Got a nice, pretty good sized ramp on the back, screened in porch, and walk around here. Got all your water and accessories on this side. This would be a great unit for a couple Harleys or a couple quads. Coming inside, got the two fold down beds in the back, lots of tie downs, microwave, stovetop sink, bathroom, pretty good sized wall shower, power vent, ceramic bowl on the stool, sink, medicine cabinet, bedding area with a little bit of storage up top, also hookups for a TV, and a little bonus storage back here. So if you guys would like to come out and take a look at this, just give me a holler. You can reach me at 316-530-5959. You can text, call, email me at greg@wichitarv.com. You can also look me up on my website, gregjonessellsrvs.com. And love to see you guys out here. Again, 2018 Forest River XLR Hyper-Lite travel trailer toy hauler, under 5,500 pounds. Give me a call. Have a great day, Doodah.